Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of the Ulefone Armor 21. This rugged phone is packed with an array of impressive features, starting with a powerful Helio G99 processor, an extensive 64MP camera setup, and a whopping 9,600 mAh battery. Plus, it sports a loudspeaker with a unique halo LED, all available at a remarkably affordable price. Upon unboxing, you'll find the Armor 21 itself, a USB-C to C cable, a 33-watt charger, a wrist strap, and a glass screen protector. Optional accessories include a dock and a case with a belt clip or carabiner. The device measures 176 x 81 x 18 mm and weighs a hefty 400 grams. Moving to the front, the Armor 21 features a 6.58-inch FHD Plus display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ideal for smooth viewing experiences. At the front, a 16MP camera is ready to capture your selfies. We've tested this camera and we'll show you some photos and a video later on. The left side of the phone houses a slot for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card, supporting 2G, 3G, and 4G. Below this, you'll find a customizable button for easy access to your favorite functions. On the right, there are volume controls and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. The top of the phone is unadorned, while at the bottom you'll find a hatch with a USB-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Flipping to the back, there's a dual camera setup featuring a 64MP Sony IMX686 and a 20MP with infrared sensor. We have plenty of photos and a couple of videos to demonstrate the camera quality. You'll also find a large 3.5-watt speaker capable of producing up to 112 decibels of sound, accompanied by a halo LED for music and notification alerts. The Armor 21 comes with a massive 9,600 mAh battery, capable of quick charging with the included 33-watt charger. Powering the phone is a Helio G99 processor, which scored 3,96942 points on the Antutu benchmark test. The Armor 21 is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD. It also offers the option of virtual memory, taking it up to 16 GB max RAM. It runs on Android 13. We put this rugged phone through a gaming test with Real Racing 3 and it performed smoothly. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi ABNOC. Unfortunately, NFC is not supported, but the phone does include an FM radio. We also conducted a GPS test and found that it supports GPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo. Some bonus features we liked were the game mode, toolbox, remote control, child mode, and especially the funny sound mode, which truly leverages the large speaker. The Armor 21 is rated IP68 and IP69, meaning it's water, dust, and shock resistant, perfect for rugged daily use. You can grab this phone for €268.72 on AliExpress, but with a €36.48 coupon, the price drops to €232. A fantastic deal for such a targeted but enticing smartphone. Now, it's time for a break. If you enjoyed this video, toss us a thumbs up. If not, you know where the thumbs down button is. That's all for our review of the Ulefone Armor 21. Don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, this is ByGLG signing off.